Hello, my dear friends. In this video, we're gonna learn how to play a little part of Old MacDonald Had a Farm. It occurred to Beethoven Bear and Mozart Mouse that they had already learned a lot. Look, Beethoven Bear, Mozart Mouse exclaimed, I think we now know how to play the song that we sing about the farm friends. Please open your lesson books on pages number 22 and 23. We're going to begin with page 22. And here we have E-I-E-I-O. That's exactly what we're going to play. And we're going to use our left hand in this song. And we will play on 3 black keys. So on this page, assignment number 1 is sing the words, Old MacDonald had a farm, and then clap or tap E-I-E-I-O evenly as you sing. All right, let's do assignment number 1. Please join me. Ready, set, and let's start. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. Assignment number 2, clap or tap E-I-E-I-O and count aloud evenly. So here we have the song. I'm gonna show it close up right now. So we have 5 notes in a row, and then we have 3 rests. So overall, there are 2 measures. In measure number 1, we have 4 quarter notes. In measure number 2, we have 1 quarter note and 3 rests. This is the first time that we're facing a rhythm pattern that is made of 2 different measures. They don't look alike. Ready, set, and let's start. E-I-E-I-O. Why am I singing? I don't know. All right, let's do assignment number 2, actually. Clap and count aloud evenly. Here we go. Ready, set, and let's clap. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Rest, rest, rest. And that was assignment number 2. Assignment number 3, point to the quarter notes and rests below and count aloud evenly. Ready, set, and let's begin. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Rest, rest, rest. All right, assignment number 4, say the finger numbers aloud while playing them in the air. Now, in this song, we're going to use the 3 block keys, so we need 3 fingers. Those fingers are 2, 3, and 4. In first measure, we have second and third finger. And in the last measure, there's only 1 note that is played with finger number 4. So here we go. Let's begin. Ready, set, and let's begin. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. Rest, rest, rest. All right, assignment number 5. Play E-I-E-I-O and say the finger numbers. All right, so here I am going to play this. And you're going to get a close up right now. Here we go. Ready, set, and let's play. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. Rest, rest, rest. All right, now sing the words, Old MacDonald had a farm. And then the second time, on that farm, he had a duck. And play E-I-E-I-O. Ready, set, and let's begin. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm, he had a duck. E-I-E-I-O. All right. How about we move to the next page? Oh, let's see. What else is on MacDonald's farm? Pondered Mozart Mouse. The ponies. Remember the ponies? Beethoven Bear replied. On page 23, we will find On MacDonald's Farm. That's a song that is played with the right hand. So this time we're going to use our right hand, fingers number 2, 3, and 4. And we're going to play on 3 block keys. We have the same rhythm pattern that we had on the page number 22 with E-I-E-I-O. But we have slightly different words here. So assignment number 1, sing the words going for a pony ride and then clap or tap On MacDonald's Farm evenly as you sing. Ready, set, and let's begin. Going for a pony ride on MacDonald's farm. Rest, rest. Music friends ride side by side on MacDonald's farm. Rest, rest, rest. All right, assignment number 2. Clap on MacDonald's farm and count aloud evenly. Ready, set, and let's clap. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Rest, rest, rest. Assignment number 3. Point to the quarter notes and rests below and count aloud evenly. Ready, set, and let's begin. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Rest, rest, rest. Assignment number 4. Say the finger numbers aloud while playing them in the air. Ready, set, and let's begin. 4, 4, 3, 3, 2. Rest, rest, rest. Assignment number 5. Play on MacDonald's farm and say the finger numbers. Here we go. Ready, set, and let's play. 4, 4, 3, 3, 2. Rest, rest, rest. All right? And now sing the words going for a pony ride. And the second time, music friends ride side by side. And play on MacDonald's farm. Ready, set, and let's begin. Going for a pony ride on MacDonald's farm. Music friends ride side by side on MacDonald's farm. In our discovery book, we learned about Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart on pages 22 and 23. You can find a little short biography on page 22 and a little bit about variations on Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star that he composed. So today we figured out that Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star actually has a composer, and it's Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. There is a page for coloring on page 23. You can finish that if that's not finished. And as well, in your workbook, please finish pages number 22 and 23 if they're not finished. You can find different hidden music signs, quarter notes, for example, on page 22. And on page 23, we have hidden quarter rests. So please find them and circle them. And if you want to check out my previous videos for previous lessons, please check out the playlist. I'm going to add a card right now. And don't forget to like this video if you found it valuable. And please subscribe to my channel in order not to miss the newest uploads. I'll see you soon. Bye.